Hello everyone and welcome back to my Lightway YouTube channel. Today, I'll be sharing some valuable insights that we know you'll enjoy. Sit back, grab your favorite drink and let us get started. Today's video talks about the power of intuition and trusting your gut instincts on Sophia's life. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. Let us go to the video soon. In a quaint village nestled amidst rolling meadows and fragrant blossoms, there lived a young woman named Sophia. Sophia possessed a unique gift or remarkable intuition that guided her through life's twists and turns. She believed that within the depths of her being resided an inner compass, ready to steer her in the right direction if only she would listen. Sophia's journey began when she was a child. She often found herself sensing things before they happened, feeling a deep knowing in her gut that defied logical explanation. At first, she questioned her intuition, dismissing it as mere coincidence or imagination. But as she grew older, Sophia realized that her gut instincts held a profound wisdom that she couldn't ignore. One sunny day, Sophia found herself at a crossroads, unsure which path to take. Doubt and fear clouded her mind, leaving her feeling lost and overwhelmed. She longed for guidance, for a sign that would illuminate her path. In the midst of her confusion, a gentle voice whispered within her, urging her to trust her intuition. With a newfound determination, Sophia embarked on a journey of self-discovery, learning to silence the noise of doubt and fear, and tune into the quiet whispers of her inner voice. She recognized that intuition was not a magical power exclusive to a chosen few, but a natural gift available to all. It simply required trust, practice, and an unwavering belief in oneself. As Sophia embraced her intuition, she discovered that it held the power to navigate the complexities of life with grace and ease. She learned that intuition was not limited to major life decisions but played a role in her everyday choices, guiding her towards what felt right and aligned with her authentic self. Sophia's intuition acted as a compass, helping her distinguish between the external pressures and societal expectations that clouded her judgment and the gentle nudges of her inner wisdom. She discovered that by cultivating stillness and mindfulness, she could tap into her intuition more readily, allowing it to guide her steps in the right direction. Sophia's trust in her intuition led her down paths she never thought possible. She pursued a career that resonated with her soul, defying the expectations of others. She nurtured relationships that enriched her life, letting go of those that no longer served her growth. She made decisions that felt right in her heart, even when they seemed illogical to others. As Sophia walked her unique path, she encountered challenges and obstacles. But she learned that even in the face of adversity, her intuition was a steadfast companion, whispering words of encouragement and offering solutions she hadn't considered. Sophia realized that her intuition was not infallible, but it served as a guiding light, providing insights and lessons along the way. Word of Sophia's remarkable journey spread throughout the village, inspiring others to embrace their own intuition and trust their gut instincts. People began to recognize the power within them, the innate wisdom waiting to be tapped into. They learned to quiet the noise of external influences, to listen to the gentle whispers of their hearts, and to trust in their own unique path. And so, dear reader, let Sophia's story serve as a reminder of the profound power of intuition. Embrace the gift within you, the quiet knowing that resides in your gut. Trust in your instincts, for they are the whispers of your soul guiding you towards a life filled with purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Allow your intuition to be your compass as you navigate the twists and turns of life, and watch as it leads you to extraordinary places you never thought possible. Thank you for watching our video and making it all the way to the end. We hope you enjoyed today's insights and learned something new. If you like to contact me, Facebook and Instagram link in channel description. We also want to hear what you think, so leave us a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.